Hello, everyone. My name is Audrey Leffman, and I am a sophomore studying secondary English education. I wanted to go into education because I had a teacher freshman year of high school who was just a mentor to me and very encouraging, but expected great things from me and really pushed me to succeed. And I hope to do that for many students in the future. I grew up here in Eudora. I was actually homeschooled out on the countryside. So the whole School of Education process has been very new and exciting for me. A lot of my schooling experience was very interactive and hands-on, so I hope to incorporate that into the classroom to a certain extent. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to this course. I'm not naturally great with technology, so I think it'll be really beneficial just to learn about all the ways that technology can enhance learning in the classroom. And yeah, I am a baker. I love to bake. I love pottery and writing and English, obviously. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting to know you guys and working alongside you this semester. Thanks.